This is a 1970 Datsun 240Z S30 Coupe belonging to James P. And to quote the owner, it's the quintessential classic sports car body shape. Long hood, short back, 90-inch wheelbase, rear drive and front engine. The 240Z combines styling cues from the Porsche 911, Jaguar E-Type and MGB to improve on each of them. It's brilliant fun to look at, work on and drive. Visceral, mechanical and nostalgic. It's an icon. The 240Z was the first Z car and began production for Japan in 1969. Shortly after, it was introduced to the USA, Australia and other export markets in slightly varying spec. Over 160,000 240Zs were reportedly sold in the key US market, making it a huge success and giving birth to a famous and successful history in motorsport and pop culture. These cars won the US-based SCCA Championship, the Safari Rally twice, and single-handedly changed ingrained opinions of what a Japanese car could be. It's not an exaggeration to say that not just every Z car, but all of the legendary JDM sports cars can trace their history right back to the 240Z. Only 5,000 of these cars made it to Australia between 1970 and 73, with just 450 of them, this being one, coming in that first model year. This particular Z had a bare metal restoration about 10 years ago and is now fitted with an L28 engine, triple Weber carbies, and a few other factory Nissan or period correct go fast bits from the 70s. It's a credit to the owner and a fantastic example of a true icon.